Hello everybody! Today I want to share my process of illustrating a tarot card. In 2016, I participated in Inktober and I was able to complete the major Arcana. Since then, I have been slowly building the second part of the tarot, and honestly, it's taking me more time and energy than I expected. So, as a way to stay motivated, I decided to record my process and share it with you. For the materials, we're going to try some Bristol board. I'm going to use a cutout cardboard as a template, black ink, these two are my favorites, a 2B pencil for sketching, eraser, nibs of different sizes, and brushes. The suit of cups has 14 cards, so I'm going to start by creating thumbnails of each of them. This will help me know beforehand the type of composition I will be working on a specific card. Tarot cards have a lot of symbols and meanings. So what I'm doing here, but you can see on screen, is that I am researching and taking notes for future reference. Sometimes I have no idea what I would like to draw for a specific card on this stage, so I just add some notes to it and think on it later. What I want to do with this tarot deck is that each suit will tell a short story, and each suit will have a main character. In this case, I decided on Artemis as the protagonist of the suit of cups. I think that maybe an ancient Greek or Roman environment will be nice. Remember the cutout cardboard I talked about at the beginning of the video? Well, I made a template with the size of a tarot card on a larger scale. I find it easier to use it instead of measuring every time. Now I'm going to copy the composition of the ace. All of the aces for the Lunar Tarot display the main character of the suit. So, to save some time, I copy the silhouette of the previous finished ace and work from it. Having the composition defined, it is time to start building our main character. I am having some difficulty with her hair, so I'm going to try different options until I'm happy with it. Now that I have an idea of how I want her hairstyle to be, I'm going to start cleaning up the sketch. At this stage, I also point out the shadows and any correction I might need before I start the inking process. It's time to use our Bristol board. And yes, we are redrawing our sketch. This time it must be as finished as possible so we can start inking without any problem. Now we start inking, which is my favorite part. have to redraw it. I finished it. I was having so much fun. I took the picture, I posted it on Instagram, and then I realized there was something wrong with the drawing. So I decided to start all over again. And this time I used a different type of paper. I was having issues with the Bristol board. You see, when you have new nibs, the nibs are going to start scratching the paper. So in this case, I decided to go with a watercolor paper, and it is much more comfortable for me. So just have that in mind. And yeah, mistakes happen. Yep. And this is how my desk looks right now. It is a mess. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.